Welcome. We'll go over the steps involved moving a Moodle course from one Moodle site to another Moodle site. As you're aware, Rocky View Schools has 3 Moodle sites for students. So we're going to log into the K9 Moodle with our regular Rocky View Schools username and password. And we're going to click on a course that we want to move. So this is for teachers who may have been teaching online last year and are now teaching in person, and they would like to move the course from the online Moodle to the in-person Moodle. So in the course, we click the gear and then backup. We do not want to include enrolled users, but leave everything else selected, and we jump to the final step. Depending on the size of your course, this might take a few minutes. And here we see that Moodle has created a backup for this course for us with a date and time. We are going to download it to our computer. And here we're looking at the new Moodle site, the in-class Moodle. We're going to log in and click staff and teacher login again, so that will now be automated. And now we're going to find the course that we want to put this course into. So in my case, I'm using one that already has content. Most likely you'll have something that is empty. So in that, what we call the target course, we click the gear and then restore. Now we choose a file, and that is the file that we just downloaded to our computer. Okay, so in this step, we're basically bringing a backup copy of our previous Moodle into this Moodle. From here on, it's pretty much a step of just clicking the continue button, except for this very important screen. So if we are restoring into an empty shell, we leave the first one checked. If we're restoring into a shell that has a lot of content already, we may want to delete everything and then just replace it with our backup. That's what I'm doing here. So in this step, it will delete everything in the course and replace it with the backup course that I'm bringing in from the other Moodle site. Sounds complicated, but really isn't. We're basically able to either just bring in the backup of the other Moodle or bring in the backup and delete everything that's here. And that's basically it.